Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, we're going to unbox and review the Arzopa A1S 14-inch portable monitor. It's a sleek and lightweight display that's perfect for work, gaming, or travel. I made a video before about the UPERFECT portable monitor. The reason why I have this Arzopa right now is nasira yung dati kong portable monitor. It was actually great. It was a good monitor except that nahulog ko siya and then nasira yung screen. I could have bought the same portable monitor but I just wanted to try this Arzopa one and a smaller one. So the previous one was 16-inch. This one is 14-inch. So again, if you guys want to check the other monitor, check this video out. Let's get straight to the unboxing. As you can see, wrapped securely yung box nila. Inside, we have the Arzopa A1S 14-inch portable monitor, user manuals. We have 3 cords here, a USB-C to USB-C cable for power and display, a USB-A to USB-C cable for additional power if needed, and an HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Here at the back of the monitor is a stand. You can use the monitor horizontally or vertically. First impression, this thing is very lightweight and slim. As you can see, 14-inch. If you compare it to my MacBook Pro 14-inch, here it is, and this is the portable monitor. So the size is just right for me. One of the best things about the Arzopa A1S is its plug-and-play functionality. Just connect it to your laptop, tablet, or gaming console using the USB-C or HDMI cable, and you're good to go. No complicated setup required. It supports multiple devices, making it a versatile choice whether you're working, streaming, or gaming. The Arzopa A1S features a full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS panel, delivering sharp and vibrant colors. The viewing angles are excellent and brightness levels are decent at around 300 nits. This makes it great for everyday use, whether you're editing documents, watching videos, or gaming. It also has a 60Hz refresh rate, which is smooth enough for most tasks. The monitor is perfect for multitasking. Alright, so let's break it down to the pros and cons. For the pros, ultra thin and lightweight siya, so it's perfect for travel. It's plug and play, so there are no drivers needed. Crisp, full HD IPS display which shows great colors. And it's compatible with multiple devices, phones, laptops, or consoles. And it comes with the necessary accessories. For the cons, speakers are present but not that very loud. If your purpose is just an external monitor and not really into the audio, this is just a minor issue. The audio is better with headphones or external speakers. And for the brightness, it could be higher for outdoor use. Another con is it doesn't have its own bag or protective case. So you either provide one or make sure that when you transport it, it's secured. So is the Arzopa A1S 14-inch portable monitor worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, ultra-thin, and reliable external screen, this is a great choice for work, gaming, or entertainment on the go. By the way, I got this online. Check the link below. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos in my release. Thank you guys. Bye!